We're beautiful.
What's up, all? I got the best fidget spinner ever that I'm gonna show you. It's brand new. I just ran to the store as fast as I could because I heard an email. They just came out with them. But oh, guess what? This thing lights up. Isn't that amazing? I want to do a spin test. It doesn't go that fast because it's a pretty good one though. But I love this fidget spinner, dude. This is amazing. The lights go. I can't say anything, dude. This is amazing. Amazing! Look at that! This is the most amazing fidget spinner in the world. Like, I gotta tell you guys, this is the most. I'm ordering the other Amazon. I'm ordering another fidget spinner on Amazon, but I don't have all my other fidget spinners. My white one, my blue one, and the green one I gave to somebody. The people stole my blue and white one, but I broke my white one. But this fidget spinner, yo, it's like a cool ninja star. Pretty cool. All I see kids like other fidget spinners. I think this is pretty cool, guys. This came like, where did it come from? China, of course, cause it's a ninja star. It's a ninja star. Thumbnail. All right. Let me turn the lights on. Oh, the middle things pop out. Right. Background. That's mine. Boom. We're gonna be doing a spin test with this. So let's get into that spin test. Let me see how good it's on the floor. First, let me see. It's loud. Let me count how long this can stay. Seconds. Yeah. Whatever, but it's still cool. It's still pretty cool, dude. It still spins. Let me be in the dark. Let me turn. Ooh, that's dark. Hey. Whoa, it's so cool in the dark. This is like my other one. But isn't that cool? The newest fidget. This is the fidget spinner that just came out, but probably not. But it just came out in my store across the street from me. Because the store, Country Farms, the store across the street from me are selling all these fidget spinners. That's how I'm getting all my fidget spinners. There's a glow in the dark one. But then he said, these are the brand new fidget. They're $8. I can't believe that. Why would it be $8, dude? It barely even stays long. Let's actually see how long. Let me go for 10. Whatever. But isn't that cool? A brand new fidget spinner came out. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like. If you wanted me doing more videos like this, I'm gonna save. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a DIY fidget spinner out of this. Tell me in the comments section below if you want me to do a DIY Ninja Star fidget spinner. Please tell me. I'm gonna keep this all brand new. I'm gonna try not denting it. I'm gonna leave it right here. But this is cool. Peace, guys.
A few moments later.